Mal. I ordered it. And this bag is for my son. I ordered it again online. So this is a backpack. This is for my Oniko Iho. So this is it, guys. See? This is the short and this is the bag, guys. So it's a backpack. So the brand is Eastpak. The good one. See? It's 30 years warranty. It's a Eastpak brand. Eastpak brand is from US, I guess. See? It's a very good offer. So there is a pocket here. Then again, you can open it here. And before there is also a pocket here side. See? Then open it. Sorry. See, like that. You can put a lot of things actually. Let me remove. See guys, this is the best thing. You can put laptop here. Amazing. And it's padded also. You can put a lot of things. It's a travel bag at the same time. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko kung gaano siya kalaki yung bag na to. Actually, gamitin ko siya para makita niyo kung gano'ng kalaki. Ito. Look how. So, saktong-sakto lang siya. Comfortable siya, guys. So pwede ko din siyang magamit pag nag-travel ako. So, approved, guys.